So we're excited today, and the reason we're excited is because we fucking hit Immortal. We did it. This is my peak rank now, Immortal 10 RR. You might be thinking, King, like you've ever hit Immortal before? No, I've been four times, one game off of Immortal, which is really irritating because I couldn't technically say I was Immortal up until now, even though I was one game off. I am the same now as all of these other motherfuckers who are sitting at 0 ranked rating Immortal. They just sit here. They're like, I don't want to play a game. I don't want to risk losing my Immortal when I can just say I'm Immortal now. I'm sitting at 0 ranked rating. Look how many people there are. There's so many of them just sitting at 0 ranked rating. Even if you go up to like 100 ranked rating, right? It's still no different. These guys are pretty much the same. There's really no difference between this. They're all low Immortal, you know. It doesn't freaking matter. These players in like high diamond, right? They people make fun of them because they're like, oh wow, there's
whenever I have these diamonds on my team, it's always just terrible. I always lose when I have diamonds on my team. It's like,
doesn't fucking matter. All these people at this rank, they're all the same thing. And the same thing is bad, dude. Everyone's bad at this rank. Even in these games, when I was playing like my most recent ones, I was playing some Astra, you know, rocking the Astra, rocking the Sova. Everyone's so easy to read. You know they're going to peek dumb shit. You know that they're going to push up. It's every single round I was predicting in this game, my Immortal rank up game. It's like, hey, they're going to peek this, guys. We're going to kill him. They peek it. We kill him, right? This is Turn. We were queuing with Turn. He had a pop-off game. I didn't even realize that he did this well in this game. 26 kills. He was having a good game. But yeah, dude, everyone's just so fucking bad. They don't understand basic concepts in the game. They don't understand defaults or when to rotate. They don't understand how to use their utility or trade teammates. It's just frustrating, man. The more that you climb, the more frustrating it gets. And you're just like, people should know better. They should know better at these ranks. They just don't. It's really disappointing, but that's just how it goes. Thanks everyone who shouted me out on Twitter, though. Red ended up responding to my tweet. Red's a homie. Love Red. He was just asking about like things I've learned. I think this is an okay topic for the video, right? The biggest thing for me was I literally started playing less. This is what I said in most recent videos. And I stopped raging when I played. Literally made a world of difference. I won like 75% of my games from that point. And we talked about like the cycle of it. It's literally like an endless cycle of like, you start ranking up, you're feeling good, you're ranking up, and then you start caring about the game a little bit more because you're ranking up. You're like, I want to rank up more. We're doing well, you know? So you start caring a little more, right? And you start getting more angry. You're like a little bit more angry because you're playing the game and like you care more and you're starting to lose and people are really bad. So you're getting angry, right? And then because you're angry, you start deranking. And then you start deranking, so you stop caring because you're just like, well, fuck it. You know, we're deranking. And then you start winning more and then you go through it all again. I just think it's so funny, dude, the way that this entire system works. But I don't know. It is what it is, dude. We finally hit the rank. Oh, God. Immortal gameplay right there. We get to go through our DM today, though. It's a little late. I've been busy lately, which is kind of nice that I finally hit the Immortal because now I don't need to play as much, right? I haven't even been playing a ton, but like just the idea that I don't feel like the next rank I can hit, right? That would feel good will be like Radiant. And like, there's no shot I'm hitting Radiant this act. That's just not happening. It's like, what do I play for? I'm like, I guess I just play for fun at this point, right? Which I guess was kind of what I was playing for before, but now I can like focus on my move because I am moving soon. I just booked all the hotels and stuff for the trip. I'm really excited for that. I'm going to be driving from North Dakota to Washington, which is going to take me quite a bit of time. Around 25 hours is the drive, actually. So we'll see how that goes. And booked my hotels for it. I'm excited for it. Yeah, that's basically how my day's going. We got to do some stuff for skill capped. I'm excited. I got some more work there. So preparing for the move is going to include saving up money so that I don't go broke. That's the hope, right? I've never really lived in a different state. So I am kind of worried about going broke. We'll see if that happens. I think my income will hold up, but you never know, dude. Going broke, I don't feel like most people expect to go broke, right? I don't think there's a lot of people just sitting around going, man, I'm going to be bankrupt in a week. You know, like probably not a common occurrence for most people, but hopefully we can make sure that's not a common occurrence for us. By common, I guess it would have to happen like multiple times, right? Imagine going broke multiple times, right? You hit 0. You declare bankruptcy, and then you have to do it again. Oh, no. That'd be such a feels bad, man, dude. I've done it enough in Monopoly, man. Monopoly is a brutal game. My brother used to have Monopoly nights. He used to invite his friends over, and they would all play like a game of Monopoly. You know what? It sounds kind of nerdy, but it also sounds kind of fun. Like assembling those board game nights to like chill with friends and stuff. Like just having that one night of the week where you can hang out with your homies and you can like play games, you know? That's what I liked about World of Warcraft back in the day. When I used to raid, you would go through the raids and it would be like one night of the week, 2 nights of the week where you would just meet up with all your homies and you would try to accomplish a task together, right? You can't do the same thing for Valorant, right? Like, you could play Valorant, like, you could schedule a time to play. That's kind of what it was for, like, scrims and stuff when I used to do that. But it still wasn't the same. I think having that PvE content is what makes it fun, you know? Like, we're raiding in WoW. That's what it felt fun, you know? We don't have, like, a competitive enemy. We're gonna get rolled some nights. It's just not gonna be fun. Raiding a WoW... Just... Okay. Yeah, you don't... Yeah, raiding in WoW, like, you have that one common enemy that you guys are all working towards, and let's be honest, it wasn't that hard, right? Unless you're running, like, crazy mythics. It was kind of fun to just, like, chill with friends, joke around, and you all come and play together for a little bit. It's a good time, you know? But, we don't have that same thing anymore. I can't hit anything. I'm immortal. I have 9 kills, bro. I'm an immortal level player. I can't get more than 9 kills in a DM. We can't finish in last. Can't allow it. This Cypher's a fucking ninja, bro. I literally... Okay, she's worse than me. She's actually just worse than me. Yo, what are you guys' thoughts on the Ego Knife? I think the Ego Knife is underrated. I think it's an okay knife skin. This isn't bad. I think it looks okay. I don't love the recolors of it all that much, but... I don't want to finish in last. 3 kills? We can do that. We just need to take my time on my shots. Nice. I can't finish in last, guys. I'm sorry. Just 2 kills away. I need to pop off. Don't get that last kill, please. Please. All right. I think it's a good sign for me to go to bed. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.